Howdy, y'all. I'm gonna change my greeting from now on because I'm from Texas. So, howdy, FPV fam. I'm doing a follow-up to some things that I missed in my last review in regards to the HawkEye FireFly Micro HD Cam. So, let's go to the dimensions first. So, lengthwise, we're looking at 32.5 millimeters, not volume. Come on, me. Okay, now let's look at the other dimensions. We're looking at almost 24 millimeters. And let's just do the other side for the heck of it, but it should be very similar. 24.23 millimeters. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at weight. I'm also going to go ahead and perform a full demo. Instead of saying how something works, actually show you how it works. So I'm gonna cut this video right now and get back to it. All right, we're back. So I'm gonna work backwards a little bit. I'm not going to mount it. I already have footage from the FireFly. But what I wanna show you guys is what I did. I got this from Thingiverse. I'll leave the link. And I just zip tied it to one side. It can be better secured. I'm actually giving a Facebook friend some tips on it, and something that occurred to me. You should put 2 zip ties there, to secure it better, and maybe do a little modding on the mount itself, make it round so that it fits snug. What my buddy on Facebook's trying to do is fit his diversity antenna horizontally. He already has it set up that way. I think he can do it. Just, based on how this is, he may not have to change anything. But anyway, you can actually put 2 zip ties there if you're creative enough. What I'm going to do now is clip it out and weigh it along with the FireFly. So, be right back again. Here's the box that it comes in, right? Comes from China. Sorry about Tupac cursing in the back. Anyway, let's weigh the camera. 15.6. All right, 15.6. So now let's look at the mount that comes with it. I don't recommend it for FPV, but here it is, 8.2. The mount from Thingiverse, it's a little heavier, 10.8. So let's look at my setup. Altogether, 26.4, and this is gonna add about 3 more when I put the SD card. So we're looking at 26.6 plus the zip tie. So you know what the heck? Let's do the zip tie too. Okay. 28, let's call that 28. Full setup. And now let's go to the website. This is what you get with it, right? Since I already opened mine, all those little tingy-majiggies that look like the ones that come with the GoPros, I don't use, but they come in the box. Here's the mount again, which I don't recommend for FPV. Here's the cable that you get with it. You get an AV out in case you want to watch it on TV. I forgot what this little USB is called, but it's very peculiar and it goes right there. So make sure you don't lose this because I don't think everybody has spares for these. And of course, this goes to your computer or knowing to charge. You should be able to transfer directly from the camera to your PC or laptop. However, when I tried, it didn't work. So hopefully it works for you. I don't know if it was meant to do that or not. But anywho, I just pulled out my SD card to play my footage. So now let's go back to Amazon. Right now it's almost 28 bucks delivered, which is like 8 bucks cheaper than when I bought it from Amazon. With Banggood, you save about 3 bucks. So it's $24.59. I don't know if there is shipping for it. I don't think so, but it'll take a while to get to you, right? So 28 bucks is pretty good, I think. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys how to power it on. So here's our power button. Let's get in focus. You see the blue light? That means it's ready to record. Okay, so I had to reset, and here's one thing. You gotta have your card on to power it on. Otherwise, I guess it's smart, it knows not to stay on if it doesn't have a card. So let's power it. Blue means 720. I think we have to press it for 3 seconds. Oh no, it's recording now. So let's stop it. 1, 2, 3. And now this means that it's ready to record in 1080. If you press power again, it starts recording. You can go up to 15 minutes for one recording. A flight should be less than that. So just keep that in mind, just in case you're doing long range and you have a really nice battery. So now let's stop it, right? And let's turn it off, 3 seconds. And it's off. So pretty simple. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this nice little ship that everybody loves, and we are going to try to get a recording at 720 and 1080. And that will be the end of my extended review per se. So anyway, 28 bucks from Amazon. Can't beat that, guys. So I'll finish this off with the demo of the video itself, of the recordings. Until then, fly safe, have fun, keep on ripping. See y'all. Alright guys, this is 720 I believe. If not, I will correct it, but I'm in blue. I believe the sound is on, so I'm just gonna go around the X-Wing. Right, there we go. Hopefully it's in focus. So this is 720. What's up guys? And we're back. We're at 1080p now. And we're going around the X-Wing again. X-Wing. And we're moving back to the MacBook. Anyway, hope this helps y'all. As always, fly safe, fly and have fun. Keep on ripping. See y'all.